This is A1 English listening practice with English with Sophia. You are special. Hello, my dear friend. How are you today? I hope you are well. I am very happy you are here with me. Today, I want to talk to you about something very special. I want to talk about you. Yes, you, the person listening to this right now. Do you know that you are special? Do you know that you are important? Do you know that you have value? Maybe you do not feel special. Maybe you think you are just ordinary. Maybe you look at other people and think they are better than you. Maybe you feel small. Maybe you feel like you do not matter. But I want to tell you the truth. You are special. You are unique. There is nobody else in the world exactly like you. Nobody has your face. Nobody has your voice. Nobody has your thoughts. Nobody has your dreams. You are one of a kind. Your story matters. Every person has a story. You have a story too. Your story is important. Maybe you think your story is not interesting. Maybe you think nothing special has happened to you. But that is not true. Think about your life. Think about where you came from. Think about the people you love. Think about the things you learned. Think about the challenges you faced. Think about the times you were brave. Think about the times you were kind. All of these things make your story. And your story is beautiful. Your story matters. Maybe you grew up in a small village. Maybe you moved to a big city. Maybe you have a family. Maybe you are alone. Maybe you have a good job. Maybe you are still looking for work. Maybe you have many friends. Maybe you have just a few. It does not matter. Your story is valuable. You are valuable. You have gifts. Every person has gifts. Gifts are special things you can do. Gifts are talents. Gifts are abilities. You have gifts too. Maybe you are good at helping people. Maybe you are good at making people laugh. Maybe you are good at listening. Maybe you are good at solving problems. Maybe you are good at cooking. Maybe you are good at fixing things. Maybe you are good at teaching. Maybe you are good at being kind. These are all gifts, and your gifts are important. The world needs your gifts. Sometimes we do not see our own gifts. We think our abilities are normal. We think everyone can do what we do, but that is not true. Your gifts are special. Let me tell you something. Right now, you are listening to this lesson. You are learning English. That takes courage. That takes effort. Many people want to learn English, but they give up. You did not give up. You are here. You are trying. That is a gift. That is strength. You can make a difference. Do you think you are too small to make a difference? Do you think you cannot change anything? Many people think this way, but it is wrong. You can make a difference. Every day. In small ways, in big ways. When you smile at someone, you make a difference. When you help someone carry something heavy, you make a difference. When you say a kind word, you make a difference. When you listen to someone who is sad, you make a difference. When you do your work well, you make a difference. You do not need to be rich to make a difference. You do not need to be famous. You do not need to be powerful. You just need to be you. You just need to care. You just need to try. Let me tell you a story. There was a man walking on a beach. The beach had thousands of starfish. The starfish were dying in the sun. The man saw a young boy. The boy was picking up starfish, one by one. He was throwing them back into the water. The man said to the boy, "Why are you doing this? There are thousands of starfish. You cannot save them all. You cannot make a difference." The boy picked up another starfish. He threw it into the water. Then he said, "I made a difference to that one." You see, you can make a difference. One person at a time. One action at a time.
one day at a time. Your dreams are valid. What are your dreams? What do you want in life? What makes you happy? What do you hope for? Maybe you dream of having a good job. Maybe you dream of having your own house. Maybe you dream of getting married. Maybe you dream of helping your parents. Maybe you dream of traveling. Maybe you dream of learning many things. Maybe you dream of being healthy and strong. Whatever your dreams are, they are valid. They are important. Don't let anyone tell you your dreams are too small. Don't let anyone tell you your dreams are too big. Your dreams are yours. They are perfect for you. Some people will not understand your dreams. Some people will laugh. Some people will say you cannot do it. Don't listen to them. Listen to your heart. Your dreams give you hope. Your dreams give you direction. Your dreams give you energy. Keep dreaming. And more importantly, start working towards your dreams. You do not need to achieve everything today. You do not need to achieve everything this year. Just take one small step, then another, then another. Step by step, you get closer to your dreams. Be kind to yourself. My friend, I want to tell you something very important. Be kind to yourself. Many people are kind to others, but very hard on themselves. Do not do this. You make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes are how we learn. Do not punish yourself for mistakes. Learn from them and move on. You have bad days. Everyone has bad days. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel sad. Some days nothing goes right. That is normal. That is part of life. Be patient with yourself. You are not perfect. Nobody is perfect. Don't expect perfection from yourself. Do your best. That is enough. Talk to yourself like you talk to a good friend. When a friend makes a mistake, you don't say, "You are stupid." You say, "It is okay. Try again." Do the same for yourself. When you look in the mirror, don't focus on your problems. Focus on your strengths. See the good things about yourself. Appreciate yourself. You are doing better than you think. You are stronger than you feel. You are more capable than you know. Surround yourself with good people. The people around you are very important. They affect your life. They affect your mood. They affect your success. Some people make you feel good. They support you. They encourage you. They believe in you. They celebrate your success. They help you when you have problems. These are good people. Keep them close. Some people make you feel bad. They criticize you. They discourage you. They do not believe in you. They are jealous of your success. They do not help you. These are not good people. Move away from them. You deserve to be around good people. You deserve to be around people who make you better. You deserve to be around people who appreciate you. Also, be a good person to others. Be the kind of friend you want to have. Support people. Encourage people. Be kind. Be helpful. Be honest. Be loyal. When you are good to others, good things come back to you. This is how life works. Take care of your body. Your body is your home. You live in it every day. You need to take care of it. Eat good food. Your body needs fuel. Give it healthy food. Vegetables, fruits, good protein, clean water. When you eat well, you feel well. Exercise your body. Move every day. Walk, run, dance, play, stretch. Exercise makes you strong. It makes you healthy. It makes you happy. Sleep enough. Your body needs rest. Try to sleep 7 or 8 hours every night. When you sleep well, everything is easier. Take care of your health. If you feel sick, see a doctor. Don't ignore problems. Your health is important. Your body works hard for you every day. Your heart beats, your lungs breathe, your body fights sickness. Thank your body. Take care of it. Keep learning. Learning does not stop when you finish school. Learning is for your whole life. When you keep learning, you keep growing. Learn new skills. Learn new languages. Learn new information. Learn from books. Learn from people. Learn from experiences. Right now, you are learning English. That is wonderful. English opens many doors. English connects you to the world. English gives you opportunities. Keep learning. Practice every day, even just a little bit. But also learn other things. Learn about things that interest you. Learn about things that can help you. Learn about things that make you happy. When you learn, your mind stays young. When you learn, you see new possibilities. When you learn, you become more valuable. Never say, "I am too old to learn." You are never too old. Never say, "I can't learn this." You can learn anything if you try. Face your fears. Everyone has fears. Fear is normal, but don't let fear stop you. Don't let fear control your life. Are you afraid of failing? Many people are.
But failure is not the end. Failure is a teacher. Every successful person failed many times. They just didn't stop trying. Are you afraid of what people think? Many people are. But you cannot please everyone. Some people will like you. Some people will not. That is okay. Be yourself. The right people will appreciate you. Are you afraid of change? Many people are. But change is part of life. Change brings new opportunities. Do not hide from change. Embrace it. Are you afraid of trying new things? Many people are. But new things bring growth. New things bring excitement. Try new things. You might discover something wonderful. When you feel afraid, don't run away. Feel the fear, then do it anyway. You are braver than you think. Live in the present. Many people live in the past. They think about old problems. They think about old mistakes. They think about old pain. This makes them sad. Many people live in the future. They worry about what might happen,